Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, I was getting a request to make a video how to change the KG state from pre-normal to checking. So, I got Galaxy S8 Plus and freshly I installed the stock firmware on this mobile phone. I will go to About Phone. Galaxy S8 Plus model number is G955F. Software information 1UI 1.0 Invite 9 baseband build number. Let me boot the phone into Odin mode. Okay, mobile phone is power off now. To boot the phone into Odin mode, press and hold the volume down key, Bixby key and power key. All three keys at same time, press it and hold it. Wait for a few seconds, you will see a warning screen. Immediately release all three keys. Press the volume up key once to boot the phone into Odin mode. Here you can see that after flashing the stock firmware, the KG state is showing pre-normal, which means that we cannot flash custom recovery on this mobile phone. If we try to flash the custom recovery, it will not get flash. It will get error every time we try to flash. If the KG state is still pre-normal, we have to change the KG state from pre-normal to checking. How to do that? Let me show. Press and hold the volume down key and power key to boot the phone into stock firmware. Press it, hold for 7 seconds. Making a video is not an easy job, and if you are getting help from my videos, if you want to appreciate my work, you can just like the video, keep sharing it with others. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click or tap the subscribe button, click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all. Thank you. Okay, unlocking the screen. Connect internet on your mobile phone. If you have Wi-Fi, connect Wi-Fi. Otherwise, if you have mobile data, turn it on. So I will connect Wi-Fi on my mobile phone. I got the internet on my mobile phone. Now I will go back and I will go to settings. Then I will tap software update, tap download and install. My mobile phone showing software is up to date. I will go back. Then I will go to About Phone. Then we'll tap Software Information. I will tap the build number for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Developer mode has been turned on. I will go back. Then scroll down. You will see Developer Options. Tap on it. The OEM unlocking must be here. Right now it is not here because the KG state still pre-normal. It is not checking. When the OEM unlocking is back here in developer options, which means that the KG state will also change from pre-normal to checking. Now I will go to settings once again and I will tap software update once again. I will tap download and install. Let the phone check the updates. Basically, the mobile phone will take some time. After connecting with internet, it will take some time. Then it will bring the OEM unlocking back in developer options. Okay, the software is up to date. Now I will go back and once again I will tap developer options to check either the OEM unlocking is back or not. You can see that OEM unlocking is back in the developer options. Basically, this is what we have to do to bring the OEM unlocking back in developer options. So once it gets back in the developer options, the KG state will automatically change from pre-normal to checking. Well, it is already on because the bootloader is already unlocked. Galaxy S8 series does not require to unlock the bootloader. This mobile phone series only requires to turn on the OEM unlocking to flash the custom recovery. Now it is time to check the Odin mode screen. I will power off the mobile phone. Once the mobile phone gets totally power off, then I will boot the phone into Odin mode by pressing and holding the volume down key, Bixby key and power key. Warning screen will come releasing all the keys. Pressing the volume up key once to boot the phone into Odin mode. This time you will see the KG state currently is not showing here, means that it is now KG state must be checking, because in my case the KG state is not prominent here, which means that the mobile phone is in now checking state. I can flash the custom recovery. My variant is not showing KG state right now. Sometime the mobile phone do this, like Before it was showing KG state pre-normal, but now it is not showing, means that the KG state is now checking. I can flash the custom recovery. But this will not happen with every mobile phone of Samsung. In case if you have done, or if you have convert the KG state from pre-normal to checking, your modern screen will must show KG state checking. Now, not every variant do this, but they are right now the my variant of Galaxy S8 Plus Odin mode screen is not showing KG state here. But I know that the mobile phone is now ready to take the custom recovery. So this is how we can turn the KG state from pre-normal to checking. Thank you so much for watching. I will press and hold the volume down key and power key to boot the phone back into stock from here. And you can take a good care of yourself. If you are getting help from my videos, do not forget to like the video, keep sharing it with others. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, also please do subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.